How to draw Pikachu for beginners? Very easy! Hi everybody, this is MeowDrawing Channel and today I want to show you step-by-step easy drawing Pikachu tutorial for beginners. First of all, we need to make a small sketch in order to better orient ourselves on the canvas in the future and the work will turn out more neat. Now you can see a process of my sketching. In this video, I draw an iPad using the Procreate program, but if you don't have an iPad, you can repeat from me just using a piece of paper and a pencil. So we're done with our sketch. Now we have to trace all the lines of our sketch step by step and do it very accurately. Let's start with the eyes of our Pikachu. The eyes are just two large native circles with a small white glare on the edge. The distance between the eyes is approximately 3 sizes of one circle. Since the eyes are black, let's paint them right away. We try to do everything neatly. That's why you have to fix all the little imperfections right away. That looks great! Now let's draw him a little nose that looks like an inverted triangle with rounded corners. Let's paint it in black right away too. Let's draw a mouse like a kitten, just 2 arcs, that's easy. Cool, now it's a little more complicated. We need to draw the oval of his face. It starts at about the same distance as the distance between his eyes. From this one, we need to draw a line up and to the left, and then round it off a little bit. Just make the same with the right side. Between the two lines, on the right and left, draw another one in the middle, but so as not to connect them to each other. Let's draw our Pikachu some ears. I believe you can do it. And now, from the middle of this line, we need to draw another arc, first downwards and then a little to the left. After that, make a curve to the right side. And repeat it in another side. Let's draw the feet and don't forget the little toes on them. Pikachu's arms looks like 2 halves of large winner. Don't draw the hands too small. Our Pikachu goes to the gym. Don't forget the details left in the background. Pikachu had the power of lightning, that's why his tail looks exactly like lightning. You can do it! That looks cool! We have already completed line art. Okay, and now let's color him. In the bottom of right corner, you can see that I have prepared a palette for you. Pikachu has only 4 main colors, one of which is black. Let's start from yellow color. And now, let's color his cheeks to red. Let's add some shadows on the yellow color. A little bit here. And little bit on the bottom of our Pikachu. From another side. And on the middle. The tail has a darker shade at the base. Just look at this pretty Pikachu! I believe you enjoyed my video, so please subscribe to the channel and check out my other tutorial videos. It was MeowDrawing Channel. Thanks for watching.